So here's a ball mill I just made up here. I got to grind some carbon down into fine powder. So I just use the head off my drill press, put a piece of threaded rod in here, and coated it with a light coating of silicone. Smooth it out so it's got some good gription. A couple movable casters and a piece of UHMW I had lying around for a bearing in the back here. It works great. Tracks really smooth. And pretty cheap if you got a drill press. Just take it off the mounting there and see what you got lying around the shop. But works good, tracks great, grinds up fantastic. Of course, I can adjust the dry belts here to give it more speed, but you can change the size of the balls in there and grind up some different media there to get the powder you need. So there you go.